We just had this big storm where we had $100,000 worth of damage. So it's like, whew, piling on. Our commercial support kitchen warehouse, currently packing shed, had a big flying trampoline came and like took out one of the beams, and we have a big hole in our packing shed, and it's always like wind and rain like come through. And we started out here at 3 acres, and then we went to 12 acres, and then 15, and then 25, and kept on going. And now we are managing 70 acres of land, and we've been able to produce 1 million eggs that have all been eaten right here on the island. We've produced millions of pounds of vegetables and leafy greens, and it's a hard time after, whenever you experience the damage. Like, we got 3 inches of rain last year, and we got over 3 feet in a couple days last month. Our inventory right now is the lowest it's been in years. We have our store open, and there's just not a lot of vegetables. We've had to sadly, pause a lot of our wholesale sales because we don't have stuff available. And on the path to recovery, we lost a lot of crop, and it took a couple weeks for the ground to dry out enough to be able to replant. And now we've got a lot closer to full production within a couple months. And so in the meantime, financially, we were already short, so now we're even shorter. Quitting isn't an option. I've committed to making all these things happen, and I see the need, and I want to be of more service